Have you ever wanted to be part of something bigger, something that mixes creativity, community, and building wealth? Here's a question to kick things off. If you could put your life's theme into a song, what would the title be? Drop it in the comments. I'll read everyone, because today I'm inviting you into something we've never done before. We're creating a community Afrobeats mixtape powered by AI, where every member gets to play a role. Even if you've never written a lyric or touched music software in your life, you can still take part. And here's the twist. This isn't just about making music. This mixtape will be a serious business funnel asset that attracts new leads and grows our collective brand while giving everyone involved recognition and a chance to shine. Now, before I break it all down and show you exactly how it works, quick pause. If you've been getting value from my channel, take literally 2 seconds to hit that like button. That small click helps more people find this content, and I promise in return I'll keep showing you ways to use AI to create income, freedom, and now even music projects you can point to with pride. And while you're at it, subscribe so you don't miss the next mixtape drop, because once this launches, you're going to want your name attached. Oh, and if you know someone who's always talking about Afrobeats or wanting to build a side hustle, share this video with them. You'll be the one who put them onto something unique. All right, let's get back into it. Here's the idea. Every quarter, our school community comes together to make a short mixtape, 3 to 5 Afrobeats-inspired tracks that carry the theme of wealth and freedom. These aren't random songs, they're anthems for people like us, professionals pivoting out of 9-to-5s, embracing AI, and building digital income streams. Now you might be wondering, but I'm not a singer, I'm not a producer. How can I be part of this? That's the beauty of it. We're making this AI assisted, which means tools like Suno, ChatGPT, and ElevenLabs do the heavy lifting. You just bring ideas, energy, and maybe your voice if you want to record or generate vocals. Even if you've never touched music before, you'll walk away with a track that has your fingerprint on it. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you log into school and see a post that says, "Drop your verse idea." You type a 2-line hook about financial freedom. Another member takes that, runs it through Suno, and suddenly we've got an Afrobeats rhythm under your words. Someone else generates vocals with ElevenLabs to bring it to life. And just like that, you're on the mixtape. And it gets better. We're not just making music for fun, we're packaging the mixtape as a free lead magnet. That means when someone downloads it, they join our funnel, they get exposed to our community, our projects, and our vision. It's fun, but it's also a serious marketing strategy. Quick engagement check. If you had to choose, would you rather be on the vocals or on the lyrics side of things? Type it in the comments. I want to see where the energy is. Now let's talk recognition, because one of the biggest reasons people hesitate to collaborate is they think, will I even get credit? The answer is yes. Every contributor gets their name on the cover credits. And inside our school community, I'll personally give shoutouts when we release each track. That means your name will be attached to something real, something professional, something public. And here's a little personal transparency. I'm not a music producer. I don't have some hidden talent I've been sitting on. I'm learning this alongside you. That's why we're using AI to bridge the gap. I've made mistakes already, like generating tracks that didn't even sync to the right tempo at first, but each attempt gets cleaner and faster. The point is, you don't need to be perfect to be part of this. You just need to jump in. Now let's break down the workflow so you know exactly how we'll do this. Step 1, use ChatGPT to draft lyrics around our theme of wealth and freedom. Step 2, feed those lyrics into Suno to generate an Afrobeats instrumental with vocals. Step 3, if you want a unique vocal sound, run those lyrics through ElevenLabs to create custom vocals. Step 4, bring everything together. Vote as a community on the best versions and finalize the mixtape. And if you're more visual than musical, you can still join. We'll run a cover art contest using AI image tools. Imagine your design being the face of the mixtape that hundreds of people download. Now let's zoom out. Why does this matter? Because community assets like this build both trust and reach. When people see a finished mixtape backed by a community of digital entrepreneurs, it shows we're not just talking about building wealth with AI, we're proving it. We're creating products, funnels, and culture. And that makes our community stand out from the thousands of other online groups. Here's another fun challenge for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you want your voice on this mixtape? Drop your number in the comments. Let's see who's really about that Afrobeats life. One more authenticity marker. When I first thought of this project, I almost dismissed it. I told myself people come here to learn about AI and entrepreneurship, not music. But then I realized music is entrepreneurship. It's product creation, it's marketing, it's branding. And with AI, it's accessible to anyone. That's exactly what our niche is about, turning ideas into income fast. And here's the exciting part. This isn't a one-time thing. Every quarter, we'll repeat it. Mixtape, Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3. Imagine a year from now, we've got a catalog of Afrobeats mixtapes, all created by our community, all tied to our funnel, all showcasing the wealth and freedom theme. That's brand building at the highest level. Now let's talk about how you join in. It's simple. Click the link in the description to join our school community. Look for the mixtape project post. Comment how you want to contribute, vocals, lyrics, artwork, or just ideas. Start collaborating. Once you're inside, you'll see step-by-step tutorials on how to use the AI tools, so you're never lost. And remember, every contribution matters. So here's the closing thought. The Afrobeats Wealth and Freedom Mixtape isn't just music, it's proof. Proof that AI can turn creativity into products. Proof that professionals like you can pivot into digital income. Proof that community beats competition every time. And when people ask you what you've been working on, you'll be able to say, I co-created an album with my community. You can download it right here. How powerful is that? So don't just watch this happen, be part of it. Click the link in the description, join the community, and let's make Mixtape Volume 1 together. Because wealth and freedom don't just show up, we create them together.